Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload an exciting video you notify. Let's solve this simple problem on the board. Very simple and interesting. Please, after watching, ensure you share so that others that seem that this problem is difficult will know that it's very simple and interesting to learn. Okay, thank you. Now we are doing that x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is equals to root 2. Now we are asked that x to the power what 2024 plus 1 divided by what x to the power what 2024 is equals to what? This problem is very simple. Okay, very simple as ABCD. What you are going to do is concentrate here before you move over to this. So from here, our LCM is what? Yeah, in this one here, our LCM is what? Is x to the power of what 2. Okay, so that's our LCM, right? Now x to the power of 2 divided by 1 will give us x to the power of what? X to the power of what 2 into this other x to the power of 2 that's here, x to the power of what 2. Okay, then x to the power of 2 divided by x to the power of 2 give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. This is equals to what? Root 2. Okay, so we now see that x to the power of 2 multiplied by this one what? X to the power of what 4 then plus what 1 divided by x to the power of what 2 equals to what? Root 2. Now what you are going to do is to cross multiply. Then this one here, right? So let's cross multiply. 1 times all this one what? X to the power of 4 plus 1 equals to root 2 into x to the power of what 2 by what? Cross multiply. Now what you are going to do again is to square what? Square both sides. To remove the square root. Square what? Square both sides. Okay. Then this is x to the power of 4 plus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus what 1, because this square means that this parenthesis is twice equals to. Now one of the properties of what is solved, you can also write this as what? Into root 2 all square multiplied by into x to the power of 2 all what square. That's one of the properties of solve. So x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4 what? X to the power of what? X to the power of 8. X to the power of 4 times 1 what? Plus x to the power of what? 4. 1 times this one what? Plus x to the power of 4. 1 times 1 what? Plus what? 1. This is equals to square. We cancel our square. We are left with what? 2. Okay. Now 2 times 2 here will give us multiplied by x to the power of what? 4. Okay. So now see that 8 x to the power of 8. This plus this one what? Plus what? 2 x to the power of what? 4 plus what? 1 is equals to what? Let me remove it from here. X to the power of 8 plus 2x to the power of what? 4 plus 1 is equals to what? 2x to the power of what? 4. Now let's take our like terms. We can bring this, we can either bring this out or bring this in. So now see that x to the power of 8 plus 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4 plus what? 1 is equals to what? 0. Now this will go. So now see that 8 to the power of x to the power of 8 plus 1 is equals to 0. Now what you are going to do is to transfer this one to our right hand side. So now see that x to the power of what? 8 is equals to minus 1. That means x to the power of 8 is equals to what? Minus 1. Take note of this. This is very important. Okay. Now let's remove this from here. We are asked that we find what? X to the power what? 2200 what? 2024. That is 2024. Okay. Plus 1 divided by x to the power 2024 is equals to what? Now one thing I've observed with this problem is that don't look at how problem looks so humongous and thought that problem is very difficult. Sometimes the answer of this problem can shock you. Sometimes the answer will just be 0 or 1, between 0 and 1 or 2. So most problems you are seeing in mathematics that look so humongous, so big, so difficult, they are not a difficult problem if you know the tricks about it. And to shock you, you know that those answers to those problems is just 1 or 0. So what are we going to do here? We are going to do one of the interesting things here. We know that 8 multiplied by what? Let's divide 2000. Since we are having here as 8, let's divide 2224 by 8. Let's see what you have. 2224 divided by 8, we have 235. Okay, 200 and what? 255. Okay, so we can also write this as what? We can also write this as what? S to the power of what? 8 multiplied by 250 what? 3. Okay, because 8 multiplied by this is this, then plus 1 divided by s to the power what? 8 multiplied by 250 what? 3. Because 8 times this will give us what? 2024. So by one of the properties of indices, that's why knowing the law of indices help us a lot in this kind of problem. Because when you're solving problems in mathematics and you know those laws of concerning those problems, it's very simple and interesting. Reason why 55% of students nowadays are saying mathematics is difficult, because they are not following the rule and the law of those particular subjects, those topics in mathematics. Now looking at this problem, know that following the law of indices when solving is very simple and interesting. Now let's obey one of the properties of indices. You can also write this as what? S to the power of what? 8 all raised to the power of what? 2253. Okay, because this is 8 multiplied by this same as this, then plus 1 divided by s to the power of 8 all raised to the power of what? 253. Remember that s to the power of 8 is equal to minus 1. So now see that this is not power into minus 1 all raised to the power of what? 2 raised to the power of what? Minus 1 raised to the power of what? 253 plus 1 divided by into minus 1 raised to the power of what? 253. Now let's see minus 1 raised to the power of 253. That means minus 1 time minus 1 time minus 1 time minus 1 into what? 253 times is what? Is 1. Okay, you can do it in your calculator. Minus 1, let's see, into minus 1 raised to the power of what? 230 what? 53 is what? Minus 1. It goes minus 1 since 253 is not a what? It's not an even number. Okay, let's see, since it's not an even number, okay, so it's minus 1. So now see that all this will give us what? Let's remove this from here. Now see that all this will give us what? Minus 1, because minus 1 is part of this is minus 1, then plus 1 divided by minus 1. We know that 1 divided by minus 1 will give us what? Minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is equal to what? Minus what? 2. That means all this is equal to what? Minus what? 2. And this is the solution to this problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and ensure you share to loved ones so that others will learn. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.